it's a practice sheet for rational numbers. Now the very first question is find 3 by 7 plus bracket minus 6 by 11 plus bracket minus 8 by 21 plus 5 by 22. Okay, so you have to use the associative property or commutative property. It will be commutative property, yes, or it will be associative. Manan, which property will you use over here? Yes, Manan? Haan ji, commutative. Very good. Rashi, are you able to hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. So in this question, what we will do, we will first of all pick this and this because the LCM will come out to be 21 and this and this. After solving this, you can finally add up the both answers. Okay, is that clear? Yes, we are using a commutative property in this. In the next question also, we are going to use the commutative property only. You have to find minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 7 into 15 by 16 into bracket minus 14 by 9. So in this case again we will take the common thing. Common matlab the factors which are common there. Jaise 5 and 16 and 7 and this. So they have something common. तो इससे क्या है आपकी cutting off हो जाएगी and in the end you will be getting your answer. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The next question is find using distributive property. आपने distributive property use करनी है. First part है 7 by 5 into minus 3 by 12 plus 7 by 5 into 5 by 12. तो इसमें अगर आप ध्यान से देखो you have something common, right? इस ब्रैकेट में भी आपके पास 7 by 5 है और इस ब्रैकेट में भी yes, we will take common out of that, then we will add them up, both of them, and then whatever the answer will be, it will be multiplied with 7 by 5. Is that clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Same
ma'am.
thing applies with this. So 9 by 16 into 4 by 12 plus 9 by 16 into minus 3 by 9. Okay, beta? Now the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question number 4 is you have to find 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 14, 1 by 14 minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5. Now see one thing that when you are taking these two multiplication and this, in this both of them have got minus 3 by 7 common and you will use distributive property and calculate the answer and then subtract it minus 1 by 14. Is that clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, question number 4. I'll make you understand till question number 5. Is that clear? Next. Now again you have to simplify. I think it is the same question which is there on the second. I think I have wrongly copy pasted on 5th number. So your 5th is already done. So kindly do these 5 questions. जाएगा आपसे, right? चले. अब next question है हमारा multiply 6 by 13. हाँ जी.
हमें तो सेम है थर्ड मैम सेकंड और
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी सेकंड और फिफ्थ ना गलती से हो गया कॉपी पे. सो मल्टीप्लाई 6 by 13 बाय द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ minus 7 by 16. रेसिप्रोकल का क्या मतलब है that 16 will go as numerator and minus 7 will come as denominator. तो आपको मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर निकालना है. नेक्स्ट है बेटा what number should be added to 7 by 12 to get 4 by 15. तो हम क्या करेंगे 4 by 15 में से क्या माइनस कर देंगे बेटा 7 by
12.
12. Yes, very good. So kindly do these two questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the eighth question. Eighth question is what number should be subtracted from minus 3 by 5 to get minus 2. तो equation क्या बनेगी बेटा from वाली चीज हमेशा पहले आती है. So it will be minus 3 by 5 minus x is equal to minus 2. हम माइनस एक्स को राइट हैंड साइड पे ले जाएंगे तो हमारी इक्वेशन क्या बन जाएगी माइनस 3 by 5 प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू एक्स. तो आई होप ये अब आप कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे. तो इसी तरह से आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू 2 more questions. ये आपने 9th करके बताना है. ओके मनन देन 10th.
मैम
yes and I know that you can insert any three rational numbers between -2 and 0. Yes. Okay, beta. You can use any of the method you
ma'am.
want to use. Yes. Find any 10 rational numbers between -5/6 and 5/8. Then you have to find three rational numbers between 1/4 and 1/2. Okay. Then again you have to find
Yes,
10
ma'am.
rational numbers between 1/4 and 1/2. So kindly do till question number 14.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
मैम 9th का नो है.
Yes, 9th का no है. बिल्कुल ठीक है. Very good. Because it is carrying a negative sign. और multiplicative reciprocal के लिए we need to have minus a by b into b by a should be equal to 1. In this case, it will be coming out to
10th
be
का
as,
लेस है.
yes, very good.
Yes, ma'am. Rational numbers.
Yes, Rashi, I hope you are doing.
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay, beta.
I'm on 11.
Maran, take out the rational numbers between the given numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Doing.
Okay. Chalo, till then, I'll make it clear to Rashi. Now, beta, what you need to do now, Vijay, we have to represent the numbers on number line. It's 7/4, -5/6, 4/7, and 9/4. Okay, beta. Then we have to
together or different?
no, you have to make separate line because all the denominators just 7/4 and 9/4
I'm done.
on one. Yes, Manan, very good. Okay, beta. So that way you can make one, but in 16th question you have to do only a single number line. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Kindly do these two questions.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. ठीक है. चलो. Now again you have to find five rational numbers between 2/3 and 4/5, -3/2 and 5/3. Okay.
Yes.
अच्छा मुझे एक बात बताइए आप लोग कौन सा मेथड फॉलो कर रहे हैं बेटा यू आर मेकिंग द डिनोमिनेटर्स इक्वलेंट
Yes, ma'am, by LCM.
यस ठीक है
Now it is equal.
यस यस बिल्कुल चलो and after that you have to do this question write five rational numbers greater than -2 okay to do these two questions yes very good